Luxury lifestyle of Mark Zuckerberg. Welcome to my channel. Mark Zuckerberg, the influential co-founder and CEO of Meta, formerly Facebook, embodies a luxury lifestyle marked by a unique blend of opulence and understatement. From his Palo Alto estate to philanthropic initiatives, Zuckerberg's life reflects a balance between technological innovation, global influence, and a deliberate simplicity in personal choices, setting him apart in the world of tech mobiles. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Work environment. Mark Zuckerberg, the renowned tech mogul and Meta's CEO, enjoys a work environment that mirrors his innovative spirit. At Meta's cutting-edge offices, he oversees the development of groundbreaking technologies, fostering creativity and collaboration. Embracing a casual dress code, Zuckerberg focuses on the substance of ideas over formality. While not known for ostentatious displays, his Palo Alto estate and philanthropic endeavors with wife Priscilla Chan reflect a balance between success and social responsibility. Zuckerberg's luxurious lifestyle intertwines with a commitment to shaping the digital future, blending work and philanthropy to create a distinctive, impactful narrative within the tech industry. Number 9. Recreational activities. Mark Zuckerberg, amidst his dynamic and demanding role in the tech world, incorporates recreational activities into his luxury lifestyle. Known for his fitness routine, he engages in jogging and hiking, underscoring the importance of well-being. Zuckerberg's leisure pursuits offer a counterbalance to the intensity of the technology realm, reflecting a holistic approach to success. Whether it's taking a moment for physical activity or enjoying serene pastimes, these recreational choices contribute to his overall well-rounded and fulfilling lifestyle. In the tapestry of his luxury life, these activities play a pivotal role in maintaining a harmonious equilibrium between professional success and personal wellness. Number 8. Social circle. Mark Zuckerberg's luxury lifestyle extends to his influential social circle, weaving a network of tech luminaries, entrepreneurs, and thought leaders. As the CEO of Meta, he mingles with innovators at high-profile industry events, fostering valuable connections. Zuckerberg's social engagements go beyond business, often aligning with philanthropic initiatives. His inner circle reflects a synergy of intellect and ambition, contributing to the shaping of global conversations. Amidst the opulence of his Palo Alto estate and global travels, Zuckerberg's social connections underscore a blend of professional collaboration, shared interests, and a commitment to making a positive impact on the world through technology and philanthropy. Number 7. Luxury vehicles. Mark Zuckerberg's luxury lifestyle is notably modest when it comes to vehicles. Unlike some high-profile figures, Zuckerberg isn't known for an extravagant car collection, frequently seen in practical choices like an Acura TSX and a Honda Fit. He prefers functionality over flashy displays of wealth. This understated approach to transportation aligns with his overall unassuming public image. While he could easily afford a fleet of exotic cars, Zuckerberg's preference for simplicity in this aspect of his life reflects a deliberate choice to prioritize efficiency and practicality over the opulence often associated with luxury vehicles in the realm of high-profile personalities. Number 6. Security. Ensuring a secure environment is an integral facet of Mark Zuckerberg's luxury lifestyle. As the CEO of Meta, he invests substantially in personal security measures, reflecting the challenges of his high-profile status. From a team of dedicated bodyguards to advanced security systems for his residences, Zuckerberg's precautions underscore the need for privacy and protection. These measures allow him to navigate the demands of his role with confidence, safeguarding both his personal life and the sensitive information associated with one of the world's leading tech companies. Security forms a crucial layer in maintaining the equilibrium of his opulent yet high-stakes lifestyle. Number 5. Technology. Technology is at the core of Mark Zuckerberg's luxury lifestyle, epitomizing his role as the visionary leader of Meta. Constantly surrounded by cutting-edge advancements, he enjoys access to the latest gadgets and innovations. His work and personal life seamlessly integrate with state-of-the-art devices, reflecting his commitment to pushing technological boundaries. Whether orchestrating Meta's groundbreaking projects or adopting emerging tech for personal use, Zuckerberg's relationship with technology is symbiotic. This intersection of opulence and innovation creates a lifestyle where the pinnacle of technological progress is not just a professional pursuit, but an integral part of the very fabric of his luxurious existence. Number 4. Philanthropy. Mark Zuckerberg's luxury lifestyle is intricately intertwined with a profound commitment to philanthropy. Through the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, he and his wife, Priscilla Chan, dedicate a substantial portion of their wealth to address global challenges. This altruistic endeavor extends beyond traditional notions of opulence, reflecting a conscious effort to leverage privilege for positive societal impact. Their philanthropic initiatives span education, healthcare, and scientific research, embodying a desire to leave a lasting legacy beyond material wealth. Zuckerberg's opulent existence is complemented by a genuine dedication to using his resources to address pressing social issues, showcasing a distinctive blend of affluence and social responsibility. Number 3. Travel. Mark Zuckerberg's luxury lifestyle includes travel experiences that mirror his global influence. As the CEO of Meta, he enjoys the privileges of private jet travel, providing seamless access to destinations around the world. From high-profile industry events to philanthropic missions, Zuckerberg's travel is a blend of business and leisure. Whether it's traversing continents for strategic engagements or exploring new horizons for leisure, travel is an integral element in the narrative of Zuckerberg's luxurious life, reflecting both professional demands and personal pursuits. Number 2. Wardrobe. Mark Zuckerberg's luxury lifestyle extends to his wardrobe, marked by a distinctive and deliberate simplicity. Renowned for his iconic gray t-shirts and jeans, the Facebook, Meta, co-founder eschews fashion extravagance, prioritizing comfort and efficiency. This unassuming attire not only streamlines his daily decisions, but underscores a focus on substance over style. While he occasionally dons suits for special occasions, Zuckerberg's wardrobe reflects a deliberate departure from the ostentatious, aligning with his public image as a tech visionary more concerned with innovation than fashion. This minimalist approach to clothing complements his overall unpretentious and pragmatic lifestyle choices. Number 1. Real estate. Mark Zuckerberg's luxury lifestyle is prominently evident in his real estate portfolio. The Facebook, Meta, CEO resides in a Palo Alto estate, representing a nexus of opulence and privacy. This substantial property showcases a blend of modern design and expansive grounds, providing an exclusive haven for Zuckerberg and his family. Beyond personal residences, Zuckerberg's real estate investments extend to strategic acquisitions, securing properties that align with his vision for Meta's future. This facet of his opulent lifestyle not only underscores a commitment to quality living, but also serves as a tangible symbol of his success and influence in the tech world. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.